We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can install or put memory or an SD card into this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So without further ado, let's start. So the slot for an SD card on this camera is located at the bottom of the sphere. So what you want to do is to, move the sphere all the way to the top, as far as it allows you to. Then here's the SD card slot here. Let me show it to you somehow. Yep, so here it is, you can see. Now take the micro SD card and put it to the contact part looking at the top, just like so. Then push it in until it pops right into its respective slot. And now in order for these, if your camera is set up and connected to an app and enabled, what's more important, in order for the SD card to properly work, you will need to restart the camera. So open the camera management interface here. So then go into settings, and here tap at the restart option. And once the camera will be restarted, the presence of an SD card will be properly acknowledged by the camera, and you can now, after that, you will be able to use the memory card for whatever purposes you want it to be installed, whether you would like to record some stuff and save it on the memory card rather than on your cloud storage. Anyway, that will be it for this video, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.